Hey there! Welcome back to Wonder Quiz. Can you guess the top 50 plus Italian brainrot animals in just 5 seconds? If you're ready, let's dive in. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the Wonder Quiz channel for more exciting quizzes. First one, guess this brainrot animal. Correct. That's Tralalero Tralala. Who is this? Yep, that's Bombardillo Crocodilo. Next one. It's Berber Patabim. Which character is this? Nice, that's Tralalita Tralalalita. Would you rather like Berber Patapim or Tralalita Tralalalita?
Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim, nel bosco fitto e misterioso. Tralalita tralalelita, bellezza, regina della
What is your choice? Let us know in the comments. Can you name this one? Good job! It's Boneca Ambalabu. Any idea who this might be? That's Cocofanto Elefanto. Here's another one. It's Bombambini Gusini. Next one, guess this character. That's Trulimero Trulacina. What about this one? Bobrito Bandito. Let's play an odd one challenge. Spot the odd beaver in this group. Yes, this beaver is the odd one. Let's keep going. That's Tung 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 Sahur. It's La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. Frigo Camello Buffo Fardello. What character is this? That's Cocosini Mama. That's Ballerina Cappuccina. Who is this mystery character? Beautiful, it's Cappuccino Assassino. Now look closely and spot the odd one. Wonderful, here is the odd one. It's Chimpanzini Bananini. Yes, that's Trippy Troppy. Can you figure out who this is? That's Chimpanzini Cocosini. Which one is best, Chimpanzini Bananini or Chimpanzini Cocosini?
Chimpanzini bananini, wah wah wah, bananucci monk. Chimpanzini cocosini, wah wah wah, boop boop ba.
Let's continue. Perfect, that's Lirily Larila. Name this character. That's Pengunelli Cactusini. It's Capybarello cocosini. Try to recognize this one. Orangutini ananasini. That's Fruli frula. It's Blueberini octopusini. Who do you identify here? That's Kiwito bandito. Try to identify the odd octopus in this group. Wow, you spot it! That's Bri bicus dicus de bicus de dicus. Elephantucci bananucci. Who is this playful character? That's Vananita dolfinita. Yes, that's Gangster Futera criminalera. Tigruli grapefruituni. Identify the odd one among these tiger and grapefruit emojis. Awesome! This tiger emoji is the odd one. That's Kur Kataking. Which brain rot animal is this? Bobrelli bananelli. It's Giraffa celeste. It's Snuffy Zeffirulli. What name fits for this character? That's Spaghetti Tualetti. Giraffe mafiosi. Choose your favorite one, Giraffa celeste or Giraffa mafiosi.
Giraffa celeste, viaggio agreste, dans la lune tutta dorata. Ganganzelli trulala, giraffe mafiosi. Si tratta di un elemento.
Which one you choose? Share your answer as comment. That's Zebra zebralini. Look closely. Any idea? Macachini bananini. It's Tricky Trocatellus. That's Mogini Lemoncini. Do you know who it is? Wonderful. That's Paracello Lemoncello. Can you spot the odd emoji in this group? Excellent. The odd one is hiding right here. Another one. That's Gur Sahur. Il Cacto Hippopotamo. He is El Bobretto Gondolietto. That's Ornithorhynco istintigo. Glorbofrutadrillo. Guess this Brainrot character. Cannelloni dragoni. Let's spot the odd dragon among these emojis. Nice! This dragon is the odd one. That's Porco Electronico. Which figure is this? This is Vino Creely Bombaccini. Zariza. Try this one. That's Spijuniro Golubiro. Trick Track Barabum. Can you guess it? That's Udin-din-din-dun. Jingobalo Jingobali. Do you know this one? Ananito Girafini. The final one. Would you rather like Zebra Zebralini or Zarizi Zarisa?
Zebra. Zebralini. Zebra. Zebrocini. Zirizzarizza. Porquotilo porquola. Oh, ziri.
Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, then give a like and please don't forget to subscribe for getting more videos like these.